Good morning, students. Today we will study about the lesson 2, section B, My Revered Guru. In the last lesson, we have studied about Pandit Ravi Shankar. So, in this lesson, he is talking about his Guru and he respects him very much because whatever he has learned in the music was because of him. So, the name of his Guru is Alauddin Khan. Let's talk about Alauddin Khan. What Ravi Shankar has told in this chapter, we will discuss about Alauddin Khan. So, Alauddin Khan was a disciple of Wazir Khan, and when Ravi Shankar saw him, he talks about his qualities, his beauties, how he used to perform, and how he used to look, and how he used to work. So he was very extraordinary teacher and a performer. He says that Alauddin Khan was like a saint and he was a learned man. In his structure or in his looks, he was very plain and ordinary. When he met him in a function, he saw other people were wearing different colorful dresses. They were looking very joyful and happy, and they were wearing all the badges they must have got as an honor. But when he looked at Alauddin Khan for the first time when he met in that function, in that ceremony, he found that Alauddin Khan was totally different from other people. He was plain and ordinary. He was wearing simple clothes. Nothing extraordinary was there on his body. But when he looked at him, at his face and his body language, he found that he was not a very impressive personality, but whatever he was having from inside himself was quite impressive. He was not impressive from outside, but whatever he had inside himself was quite impressive that others won't have. And he himself said that his structures outside may be not impressive, but he will outshine his gaudiness. Gaudiness means brightness to his colleagues whenever he will get the time. And when he talks about his disciplines, when he talks how he used to teach his disciples, he says that he was a very strict disciplinarian. He was strict in the way that he believed in discipline. And next thing, whatever he used to practice, whenever he used to practice, he followed that strictness to himself also. He practiced music for 16 to 20 hours a day and he slept for very less time. He was very determined towards his work and he was always ready to make any type of a sacrifice for music. So he used to love his music and he was very much efficient towards his work. And he was not actually a Muslim, he was a converted Muslim. 3 to 4 generations ago, they were Hindus. So 3-4 generations ago, they were converted into Muslim. So where they used to live, there was all Bengali people and Hindu culture was there. So he used to learn and know everything about Hindu customs and ceremonies and he used to speak Bengali. Now let's talk about Ravi Shankar. When he met him, how he felt and what all does he feel when he became his guru. So he met him in the year 1934. When he met him first time, he that time only decided to become his disciple because he was very strict, although he was very efficient towards his work. And his music, the way he used to play music and he used to dedicate towards his work, he was very much overwhelmed by his work. So that's why he says, I owe devotion. He used to call his guru a revered guru, because he was having a great respect for his guru, and he was like a god to him. He was very much impressed by his guru's simplicity, and whatever he learned in music was all because of his guru Alauddin Khan. So this is all in this chapter. So there are some hard words and words that you may not be able to understand. So let's discuss about those words also. Devotion. Devotion means to dedicate towards something. Contrast between something is the differences between the two things or three things. Impressive means that affects you from inside. Colleagues are the associates or the co-workers that works with you, or that are working of same, that are those who have the same work. Overwhelmed means when you are very much happy from inside to see somebody's work or look at someone, and you get impressed by the person. Predominantly means prevailing. At that time, the place where they used to live, it was predominantly Hindu, means at that time Hinduism was present at that place where Alauddin Khan used to live. Acquainted means to be familiar with. So he was very much familiar with the knowledge of music and everything. Imposed. Imposed means placed upon. So whatever he imposed in the music, or whatever music imposed on him, he accepted it and worked really hard. So this is all in this chapter. My revered Guru Alauddin